This is a 2007 Jeep Liberty. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, full power accessories, a CD player, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, front and rear floor mats, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 54,000 miles. Not to mention that this Jeep qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.